Hello and welcome back to Tech Toolers. Today's tool is built for every member of your software team. It helps you to plan, track, and release great software. Use an out of the box workflow or create one to match the way your team works. Customizable Scrum boards, Agile reporting trusted by 100k plus teams. Log in into atlassian Jira and select the choice of your product. Free version of Jira supports up to 10 users or 3 agents. You can also add a second product to your project. You will have to provide a site name to start with the project. Jira will help you to set your page with the help of few questionnaires. Add your project name and key of your project. You can also connect some tools on the go before starting your project. To invite your team members, just add up their email and an invitation link will be sent to them to join the project. You will find project related tools on the left hand side as well as on the top side of the page. For demo, let's create two teams and add a team member to both the teams. Here I had created two teams, Team Figma and Team Canva. You will find more details about the tools in the I button above. Let's create our first epic. Epic is like a main topic of the project. You can have many epics assigned for many teams. You can assign the work to your team member, set a due date and also comment on the task. Let's create another epic and tag a team member to do the task. You can report an issue in a board panel. Select the epic in which you want to report the issue. See the status of the issue in board panel, whether the issue is resolved or is in the process of resolvement. You can integrate your developers from GitHub and GitLab right into Jira from code panel. In Jira, the flow of the project moves from the epic to the task and from task to the subtask. Let's mark our second epic as done and see how does it reflects on roadmap. Thanks for watching Tech Toolers. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.